Hi everyone and welcome back to Accordion Joy. I'm Nicola and today we're diving into the essentials for your right hand. Whether you are brand new to the accordion or brush up your basics, this lesson will set you up on the right track. We'll cover proper hand positioning, finger numbering, and introduce you to scales, all without sheet music, so let's get started. First things first, let's talk about how to position your right hand. Good positioning is crucial for smooth and efficient playing. So, start by relaxing your hand and letting it fall naturally. Avoid tension in your fingers and wrist. Place your thumb on the C key. This is the C key. Your other fingers should gently rest on the other keys, forming a slightly curve. Think of holding a small apple in your hand, for example. So to give you again better explanation of this one, how to find first C. As you noticed on the keyboard, we have two black notes, three black notes, then again two black notes, three black notes. You might have different accordion. Your accordion might be smaller, so the C key might be the first, like here. But what you need to know is the C comes right under the two black notes. So this, for example, we have here three black notes, and if I play this one, that will not be a C, that's a different tone. So in this case, we have two black keys. So right below or above, depends how you look, but right here, if you go this way, right next to the two black keys, above it, it's the C tone, and I'll play it that you can compare it to your instrument when you check later. It should sound the same like this. So, this is the C. Wrist should not come below the accordion and should not go also like high. So avoid doing this or this. It should go straight with arm. So keep your wrist straight and avoid letting it drop or rise too much. So this ensures flexibility and prevents strain during longer practice sessions. So let's play again the C tone with knowing all this, and try to relax your hand as much as possible. And we'll use thumb to play the C, which is found next to the two black keys, so as we explained. So. And back. To make learning easier, each finger is assigned a number. This helps you follow instructions and practice scales effectively. So thumb is for 1, index finger is for 2, middle finger is for 3, ring finger is for 4, and pinky finger is for 5. For now, keep these numbers in mind as we move into playing simple exercises. Now that you've got your hand positioned correctly, let's learn your first scale, the C major scale. It's a great place to start because it uses only the white keys. So we'll start from the C. We already located where is the C. So you need to put your thumb or the first finger on the C. And of course, when playing, always keep in mind that the bellows should open and close. And try, for now, only focus that the bellows are opened and closed evenly, and steady. Alright, so let's keep left hand inside again, and we press the thumb on the C, so that's a C. We use the second finger or index finger for the D, so that's a D next tone. Alright, we use the middle finger or the third finger for the E, just the next to it. Alright, and now we have something a little bit more challenging. So we need to put a thumb again, it moves under your hand. So basically this direction, doesn't go above the third finger, but under the third finger, and you need to put it on the next key, which is F. So put the thumb again, on F, open the bellow consistently. Alright, so we go with the second finger or index finger to the G. Again, as you can see, my bellows are already quite open, so I will close it now. So the second finger is on the G. The next one is a So third finger on the A, next tone is the A. Yeah. And we have the ring finger, fourth finger on the B. And fifth finger on the C, or pinky finger. Alright, let's do it one more time. Just play it whole scale one more time. I'll just now play it without saying the finger numbers. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when practicing scales, focus on smooth transitioning between notes and keeping an even tempo. Don't rush, accuracy comes first. So to master this, you'll need to exercise it. So play the C major scale up and down at least 3 times. Take it slow and remember to keep your hand relaxed and your movements controlled. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Pause, reset, and try again. Repetition is the key to building muscle memory. So I'll give you an example how you should practice. That's up and going down. When you can play the scale like this, that's awesome. If, of course, when you start playing, you will make a mistake. So let's say you play and then you make a mistake on F. You notice it's not good. So instead of F, now I played G, I jumped too high. If you notice it's not good, take a look down and correct it immediately. So just you need to search from the C, you play like C, D, E, and F is just next to it. So I gave you an example. So once you make a mistake, you need to correct it immediately. Because if you are practicing the mistakes, you will need a lot more time to correct it later on to play it on the right way. So when you make a mistake again, just correct it right away and then continue. Okay, and as you notice here, my bellows went away open, so I use this button just to close it down instead of pressing all the keys at the same time. So let's do again. Oh, mistake. I look down. Okay, I need F. F. Okay, that's right. G, A, B, C. That's correct. And going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From this place, you need to go with the third finger above the thumb and then to put it on the E. 3, 2, 1. You have just completed an important step in your accordion journey, getting comfortable with your right hand. Keep practicing the C major scale and focus on smooth, relaxed movements. In our next lesson, we'll explore simple melodies to bring your playing to life. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, every great accordionist started right where you are now. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next lesson.